We have an important announcement. Please stand by for further information. We have an important announcement. Please stand by for further information. We have an important announcement. Please stand by for further information. The UK virus, known as the superflu, have reached its way to Saudi Arabia. This case happened after a 27-year-old woman has got a virus while arriving back from Portugal. She had suffered nausea, fever, coughing, slurred speech, and dizziness. It is crucial to not come in contact with the infected, as some reports from the UK that causes homicidal effects as well. She was last seen at the Virgin Media Airways in Jeddah, 2nd Street. It is vital to stay indoors to lessen the spread. For now, we will resume normal programming.
Coming up next on Homestar Network, we have Bragg, Zorak, and Space Ghost discovering their adventures in Cartoon Planet.